Hey friends, if you wish to fix directory is not empty error 0x80070091 in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is a malware scan, so search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT, which is the malware removal tool. Wait till it loads, it usually needs a few seconds. Click on next, full scan, next, and then finally run it. The next solution is a check disk scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r /f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is a disk cleanup, so search for disk in the cleanup in the Windows search bar. Open disk cleanup, click on OK, let it run through. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK, select delete files and delete all of them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.